first method, disable unnecessary startup app. So click to start, type task manager, and then click startup app, and select, like this is Copilot. When your system will be start, so this is startup app, so this applications also work in the background, so no need. When you want to require this application, so you just single click to open, because of so Copilot is already disabled. Okay, when you want to enable, so you just click to now it's enabled, because of this the software is working on the background, so like mobile link. Disable it. Okay, team, Microsoft Team, already disabled. Like no, this is actually driver, this is required, this is terminal, this is not required. Xbox, this is not, and then close it. Then check disk health, so click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, and then type, means your status is okay, that means good, your disk is okay. Okay, and then close. If it is showing some bad as, so you need to change the your SSD and your hard disk. So now next step, repair the Windows file. So again click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, then type this command. This is very helpful for your system. Sometime what happen, it will corrupt your system files, your Windows file, your Windows child file. So this is, you can use this command, and after that you will restore and repair it. So open any click to start, and open the this, but this is required the command from administrator. Okay, so after that it will, you can enter this command, and then it will start for percentage. So it will take some time, depend about your system configurations and performance, but you have to complete and then try to next command. After it finish, then use this command sfc scan/scan, and then hit enter. So it will same, it will work in percentages. So need to complete this. Next, free up to space on your C drive. So minimize it. Open the Windows Explorer, and first check your system. Minimum 22 GB, 20 to 30 GB will be space. So if your it is full, so that's mean your system will be work very slow. Okay. Then next. Then guys, restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.